Hi friends, today I'm gonna show you how to install your radar on the windshield by hardwire. Because some people install the hard wiring to the fuse box. This is the fuse box, but this is takes too much time and it's not worth to do that, because you have to make a wire from here underneath of the string wheel, and you have to remove these to run the wire to fuse box, because fuse box behind this. They should install the fuse box at that way. I don't know why GM installed to here, but the easiest way, hardwire and clean job here, this one. Okay, you have to remove this cover. Let me show you. Okay, do you see this? You have to remove this cover. Why? My recommendation, plastic one is better, is not make damage. Also, this is the excellent, very high quality, but just plastic is better. I'm gonna show you. Okay, do you see that? Okay, easy open. I'm sorry, the light is too shine. Let me see. Okay, this is the cover. Okay, put it here and here. Do you see? We have two wires. I'm gonna install and show you. Okay, my friends, just please watch carefully. You can buy from Amazon about $10, $8, something like that. Okay, do you see? This is bigger connection, as you see, have cover cap on it. This is a smaller one. Okay, the smaller one I think is matched to the mirror cap. Okay, remember, red to red, black to black, but I don't see black yet. I'm gonna show you a few minutes. Okay, do you see that or no? Do you see red? Okay, and one black in the bottom side. Okay, black to black, red to red. Don't forget. I'm gonna install now and I'm gonna show you after that. Let's see it's working or not, because I have radar Uniden R8. This is the best radar device. Okay, my recommendation, I used too many radar, but this is the best. I'm gonna make another video about this anyway, but just today I'm gonna show you how to install hard wiring for the radar. Thank you. Okay, my friend, I just installed. Hopefully you can see the red to red, black to black in the bottom side. Okay, make sure it's tight completely. I don't want you get the ticket. Okay, let me. Okay, now I'm gonna check to see it's working or not working. Let's see. Okay, as you've seen, it's working. Okay, just make sure it's tight. This is completely done. Now I'm gonna put the cover back and installation to windshield. I just wanted to tell you something. You don't need to purchase the mount. The mount is too expensive, about $150 you have to pay for the rear view mirror. But this is the best. I mean, the same as Uniden R8 gave you inside of the box. This is the best. I'm gonna run the wire to here. After that, I'm gonna put back. The station is very clean, as you see behind. You don't need to make a wire to here. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any question, you can leave the comment. Just please, for support me, just like the channel and subscribe. I really appreciate it. See you in the next videos. Thank you so much. Bye.